Hey everyone, and we're actually going to compare these what? Whoops, these bad boys. Yeah, these are the 50 U.S. states in the United States of America. Look at how good these flags look, especially the Mississippi. I'm joking. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. We hate that. But now they changed it, which is good. Alabama is pretty much as simple as always, just an X. Texas is also good. California is good. I also love the South Carolina one, the Wyoming, and the other flags. Some people think these are actually 51 because of, well, this state. It's not, wait, it's not a state. It's a territory of the US, and it's called Puerto Rico. It was a former country. Well, now it's struggling to be a state, but it could be the 51st state, sorry. But some people even think it's 52 because of this. This is plain wrong. There, this is not 50. This is just not 50 at all. This is called the Lower 48, the mainland USA. And then we have the 49th one for Alaska and 50th one for Hawaii. It must be like that. But some people think it's like this and it's plain wrong. So it's not that. Okay, now we're going to compare the size of all states. So first total square kilometers is Alaska. Wait, Alaska doesn't really look big. It's like just even like smaller than California here, a bit smaller than Montana, a bit, about the size of, I don't know, New Mexico. But actually, it's this big. What? It's like this. Let's say. I mean, since Alaska is actually not in the mainland, it's pretty much near at the northwest of Canada. It's actually this big when you drag it into the lower 48, and it's just crazy. If you get the very very western part of the Aleutian Islands to San Francisco, the Bay Area right there, it will stretch all the way through the United States to Jacksonville, Florida. Alaska is as wide as the lower 48 states and larger than Texas, California, and Montana combined. That is crazy. Come on. Like, dude. Dude, right here. It doesn't even look like as big as California, but it's this big. Texas, California, and Montana combined. That is crazy. Wow. Alaska comprises 18% of the whole country. That is crazy. Crazy right there. That is so crazy. So second place is Texas, and California is the third placer. So wait, what? Texas is just like less than half, and California is like less than 25%. It's like 24%, By the way, the smallest states are Connecticut, Delaware, and Rhode Island. Oh my god. Rhode Island is actually just this big. You can't even see Rhode Island. It's like, I don't know, hide and seek or something, but it's Alaska. Hide and seek, but it's Alaska. Well, Rhode Island is here. That's how small it really is compared to this big boy right here. It's 430 times smaller than this guy right here. This like bully. It's like bullying Rhode Island. It's just so sad. Oh my god. Next is population. Number 1 is California. Actually, I mean, Texas is second, and then New York is third because of, well, I mean, New York City really dominates like all cities, and it's very very helpful for New York to get the third placer, and it's like 8 million. So actually, California has more people than Canada. Can you actually believe that? California, it's just this big compared to this full thing. That is just crazy. Or I might be exaggerating it, so it might be like a bit this big. But I mean, Canada is so big, but its population, California's more. California's population is a lot more than California for like I don't know a million people. Especially the fact that Los Angeles right here, San Francisco, San Diego, Maranapa, Monterey, Oakland, Sacramento, all those thingies. Canada, like 50% lives here. That's what I know. Like 50, there's like a picture that 50% lives like south of the red line right here. And then like right here is also like 50%, which is just so crazy. That's how small California is to Canada. So population, Alaska is in 48. Wait, what? That is crazy. Alaska is the biggest, big boy of all of America. But look at its population. It's the 48th. What is that? It's population density. It's not inhabitable. Not really inhabitable. And pretty much most people there are just from Juneau, the capital of Alaska. It's always almost like that. It's always almost like that because of how cold it is there and how many like creatures there are, how much, crocodiles, all of those dangerous creatures, especially in the rivers of Alaska. And the most remote state, the westernmost, easternmost, and actually northernmost state of the US. It's also an intercontinental state, and it goes through the whole international date line because one singular island that is actually owned by Russia. So Alaska, a single island of Alaska is actually owned by Russia, but it's still an intercontinental state of the US, and that is crazy. It didn't even hit a million yet, bruh. Like right now, 2021, it didn't even hit a million yet. Number two, the most least population. So number 49 is Vermont. Oh yeah, Vermont. That is what's 50? Bruh. Huh? If we look back on how big Wyoming actually is, let's just look back and look at our. That's how big Wyoming is, and that is just like less than San Francisco's population. Actually, I think. Yes, it's like San Francisco's population is even like more than the whole of Alaska actually. That is crazy. And oh my god. California's population is more than Wyoming. And that is everything, guys. Thank you. What? What? Oh no. I didn't remember that putting it. I didn't remember putting it there. So, so bye everyone. By the way, I have glasses right now. You can't just see me. I'm sorry. So bye.